I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm just truly happy. I'm just happy. That's just what it is. Hi everyone, welcome back over to my channel. If this is your first time watching, welcome over, take a seat. My name is Amy, and over here we talk about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, DIY, absolutely everything. Today though, you guys, we're gonna start the video. I was about to say the vlog, but not the vlog. We're gonna start this video a little different, okay? These days, sis, I'm all about being zen. This is a lifestyle, okay? Just get into it, okay? Manifesting, just, you know, gratitude, and just, honey, life is good. Life is good, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Alhamdulillah. We're gonna start this video a little different, okay? I'm gonna lit this candle that was actually given to me by one of my followers, and this is actually from a Gambian business. So shout out to all the Gambians out there, okay? It's called Aroma Sandal. Okay, it's super cute. Okay, it's super cute. It comes in this nice little box. Someone just lit one of them. It actually is like a crystal candle, so it just gives you all zen and just put your life together. I'll leave the link down in the description. This one smells really good, you guys. I actually love the packaging. But I'm gonna leave the link down in the description bar. This is not about the candle, but you know, we have to get into the mood. My lighter is very ghetto, but it's okay. Okay. We're gonna lit this up real nice. Okay. It smells so good, you guys. It's pure self-love. This is what I'm all about these days. So this is actually truly perfect for me. Thank you so much, baby girl, for sending me these. I absolutely love it. And I am going to actually set it right here whilst we start this video. Anywho, let's get into today's video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you do not miss any of my videos. You guys have loved the unboxing that I did with my last gift. So when I got this surprise, I was like, I have to film an unboxing. And truly, honestly, I didn't actually know what it was. Like, actually, I knew what I had. I just didn't know which one I had. But I had to open it up for, you know, for me. Okay, we had to open it up, and I am so grateful and thankful, and oh my gosh, I'm just truly happy, you guys, and that's all I gotta say. Anyways, I was gifted with, I was surprised actually. You guys love the story, so let me just tell you the story before we actually get into how this bag happened. Honest truth is, I was not looking for the bag. Of course, who does not want a lady Dior bag? I mean, what girl doesn't? Like, let's just keep it 100. I was not looking for the bag. We actually just went for like brunch and was just chilling basically. And we went to like get dessert because there's this dessert that I wanted, and he was like, we have to get it, okay? We have to get it for you today. I was like, I was getting tired of it. I was like, you know what? I don't want the dessert no more. I'm good. And he was like, no, we have to get the dessert. So we got the dessert, and we went to this restaurant. If you live in Houston, it's called Toulouse. And right across from Toulouse is the Dior store. And right before we finished eating, he was like, do you want to go to this Dior store? I honestly thought he was probably just looking and probably just buying something for himself. Baby, I work out with a whole bag, okay? I'm a whole new woman, okay? Please, okay? Anyways, the bag comes in this super gorgeous Dior bag, and obviously it has the star sign, which is actually Christian Dior's lucky charm. So yeah, okay, so I'm gonna open it. Just for some reason, let me change my settings on the camera a little bit. I feel like this is like making me a little washed out, and I don't know why. But anyways, this is what it comes in. Okay, I've already opened it, so I'm not gonna lie, so I already know what's inside, but I just want to share with you guys and show you guys what my new luxury edition is. If you guys don't know, I am more into like classic bags because I don't want anything that's like super trendy that I can't pass down or can probably like resell or like anything. So this was like a perfect bag for me. It actually comes with this receipt envelope, which is quite nice. And you guys, let's just kind of give it up for Dior and their customer service, like top notch, A1. Yes. So I kind of put it back into the box just to kind of give you guys the vibe. I tried to take like a video for you guys when I was like unboxing it. Hopefully I could be able to like insert that like right here so you guys can see that. It was from my phone. But yeah, it comes in this white box and obviously the ribbon is already out. So just like we're just gonna act like it was not out. But the box is super, super cute. Very luxurious, super white. So my makeup hands are not meant for this. So yeah, it has like this magnetic thing right here. You guys probably know if you kind of bought something from Dior, you could tell like, you see that? Yeah, cool. That candle smells pretty good. I can smell it. I absolutely love it, you guys. So it has this Dior sticker right here. Some niggas popped that out. Who cares about all this right now? They like kind of, they realistically, look, they make like a whole envelope thing right there to bury the bag inside of it, which is super nice. You guys, I'm sure you guys are wondering why do I have this jumper on? Because I'm on my way to the airport, okay? So, you guys, this bag is so cute. Okay, we're gonna do like we did the last time. I hope you guys didn't see that. Comment below if you guys can guess what size and what color he picked. Because honest truth is, they were like, I had like two options, didn't know which one I wanted. Actually, I didn't even know who was gonna buy it. Honestly, I was like, I don't know which one I want. So I just walked away and was looking at something else. And I came back and I was like, which color do you like? And he was like, I already got it. I was like, okay. So that was the surprise. And yeah. Okay, so comment below again if you can guess which color and what size in the Lady Dior I got. Do not cheat. Stop it. Don't cheat. Go ahead, comment below right now. I'm gonna give you guys 2 seconds. We're there. I got it in this color. Isn't this so perfect, you guys? MashaAllah. This is literally like perfection. I mean, I'm so happy that he picked this color because like I thought he was actually gonna go with a gray one because he just likes like dual colors. That's what he likes. But you know, I'm glad he went with this. Super cute. I absolutely love it. And it's a great size. I saw the mini, but the mini is just a bit tiny bit too small. So I wanted the small. The medium is like a little big. This is like a perfect size that you can dress up, dress down. And yeah. Guys, these things are not cheap no more, okay? Dior has increased their prices like ridiculously. I was like, damn, they wrap the charms around it like that. Okay, can you see that? And it, oh, cool. So each like letter is actually like wrapped very nicely to be secured. I'm not gonna take that off right now because, you know, you guys, I'm so happy. I don't know, this is going like short, fast to the point, but I'm so happy because I gotta run out of here. I have to go to the airport, okay? So the inside, I'm sure you guys probably have seen lots of videos, but if you have not, come over here. This is the video you're gonna watch, okay? The gold is actually like a very light gold. It also has like the 4 corner leg hardware also, which is like the same gold. The back is very, very sturdy. If you don't know, this bag was actually, I think, first made for Lady Diana, Princess Diana, not Lady Diana. You guys, it actually does come with a strap, and you can actually, this is like the Lady Dior ABC bag. That's what they call it, I think. I don't really care about the names, you guys. I just love the bag. I love the bag, okay? You guys, this is so cute. You can like pick charms, and I didn't know what charms he picked, or was even going to pick any charms realistically. And he actually put my initials on it, which is AC, and then like heart, right here. Okay. Wow, what is this? This is super cute. Look, bro, look at how perfect this looks, you guys. Isn't this stunning? Like, this is the book that basically have like all the, what does it have? Let's see. Wow, it just kind of shows you like all the Lady Dior like stuff. I don't know, I guess the information about the bag. This looks, I think this is like the care and whatever for the bag, but this is super, super luxury, you guys. I was not expecting that. And it's like wrapped in like this really nice bag. I kind of like the fact that it has this little detail right here. I just kind of dimmed the light a little bit so you guys can see better, sorry. Which like no one can really see what's inside your purse. I actually want to get like a purse divider thing that you can inside the bag. So if you guys know where I can get one of those, please don't hesitate. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. So the strap is actually pretty thick, so it's not very, very small, which is nice. So you can wear it like as a crossbody, or you can actually just like wear it like on the shoulder, or if you're like probably dressing it up, just wear it just like this, which is quite nice. The inside is just very simple, doesn't have that much space in it, but it's just perfect for me. There's like a little zipper inside, and then the inside is black. What you're seeing here is just like a little paper thing to just hold it, but as you can see right there, the inside is just all black and it's just quite simple. I feel like the color is just so perfect for me, you guys. I absolutely do love it. So let's try and actually just put the strap on. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see, okay? So, oh, so it's quite long, as you can tell. Okay, it's way longer than my Chanel. My Chanel like comes like down like right just around my waist area. Now I have it on crossbody. Just perfect. I love it, you guys. This is my airport outfit, so please excuse me. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about the color. I quite like it. And I am so happy about having my initials on the bag like this without it being actually engraved on the bag, because I just want to maintain, you know, the classiness and the quality of the bag. That is super nice, you guys. I am so happy. Make sure you leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like it? Do you have a Lady Dior? What do you do to care for it, and whatnot? If you guys actually would want to see me style some of these things that I've, some of these pieces that I've recently picked up, let me know. We might probably do like a Reels or something where I style the bag in like different ways. I think that would be quite cool. But just leave me a comment down in the comment section. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you are following me there, because your girl is gonna get into the styling videos very soon, baby, because I absolutely love it. I am so grateful and thankful, you guys. I truly adore this bag. What is 2022 doing, sis? Okay, like I'm here for it. When I come back from my trip, you guys, I'm gonna do a whole video about manifesting and all the stuff that I've been doing. I have to put you guys on game, sis. Okay, listen. Honest truth is, it's not really just about like the gifts and all that stuff. Like that's just like whatever, right? It's about truly just being happy, like just generally just being happy, like, you know, just with yourself, self-love, and just being happy. Like that's like my ultimate goal, you guys. I could care less about these bags and all the stuff and all the gifts and all the nonsense. Not really nonsense, okay, but I just truly just wanted to be happy, and I am just truly happy and just at a very just beautiful space, and I'm just so thankful to God. And I can't wait to do a video on manifesting and being grateful, gratitude, and all that good stuff. So whatever you guys want me to film and whatever you guys want me to touch on when it comes to this kind of video, because I want us to do more of like a lot of sit down chit chat, like girl talk videos. So if you guys have any questions or any suggestions on what videos you guys want me to see, or what you guys want me to film, don't hesitate. Make sure you leave it down in the comment section, because we're gonna get deep, honey. We about to get real serious up in here, okay? But I'm about to get late, okay? Because I got an hour drive to the airport, so I have to hurry up and get out of here. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Do you guys like it? Because I absolutely love it, okay? I don't even care what you guys say. I'm just kidding, but I'm not. Okay, if you are not subscribed, so make sure you're subscribed so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos, because you guys, like I said, it's about to get hot in here. It's about to get real. We're about to get up close, personal, and real tight. We're about to get into some really deep conversations, some really deep stuff, and I'm so excited to get on this journey with you guys. I am so excited. And please do not ask if you would ever be meeting him, because no. Okay? No. Okay. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm just really happy. I'm just happy. That's just what it is. I hope this video was fun because I just wanted to come here and just share the love, and I hope lots of love also come your way, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, like always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment down in the comment section below. Again, don't forget to comment and let me know what videos you guys would want to see in this, like for this little series that we'll do. So we'll probably like have a video like a month or like a video every 2 weeks, and then you guys can just give me suggestions on what you guys want to hear about, talk about. It could be like anything, you guys, life stories, whatever. Okay. Again, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you all in my next video. I'll see you guys next week. Mwah.
It's getting closer to midnight.